Welcome to this Gismatrix tutorial. Today, we're going to show you how to easily enhance your existing data. On our map, we have a land use layer and a buildings layer. Our goal is to assign a land use category to each building based on its location. However, if we check the attributes of our buildings layer, we'll notice it currently lacks a column to store this information. Let's fix that by dynamically adding a new column to the database. We start by opening the Table Manager from the side menu. We locate our building's table, open its properties, and scroll down to the danger zone. By clicking Modify Table Structure, we can easily adapt our schema. We'll add a new text column, name it Land Use, and click Save. Gismatrix securely applies these structural changes to the cloud database and instantly reloads the layer. Now that our new column is ready, we need to populate it. We select the buildings on our map and open the Update Column tool. We set our newly created Land Use column as the target. For the source data, we select the Land Use layer. Because we are combining two different spatial layers, we switch to a Spatial Join and set the relationship to intersects. This tells the system to grab the value from the land use polygon that each building touches and write it into our new column. After clicking OK, Gismatrix efficiently processes the spatial analysis in the background. In just a few moments, all selected buildings are accurately updated with their correct land use data. To make this data visually meaningful, let's create a thematic map. We open the vector layer properties for the buildings and navigate to Thematic Maps. We'll create a new individual value theme, select our land use column, and hit Generate to automatically assign distinct colors to each category. After applying the changes, our buildings are instantly beautifully color-coded based on the land use zones they fall into. A complete data management and spatial analysis workflow, all in one place. Thanks for watching.